What if your business could spot the next big thing before your competitors even see it coming? That's the power AI brings to local businesses today. It's no longer just a tool for tech giants. AI is now helping small businesses identify new market trends and seize emerging opportunities faster than ever. Every day, customers leave behind valuable clues: online reviews, social media posts, purchase patterns, even search trends in your neighborhood. AI can collect and analyze all that data in real time. It finds patterns that humans might miss, like a sudden spike in demand for a specific product or a growing interest in a certain type of service. For example, let's say more people in your area are searching for gluten-free options. AI can detect that shift early, so you can adjust your menu or product offerings before it becomes mainstream. That's not guessing. That's acting on insight. AI can also analyze your own business data, sales, customer feedback, and foot traffic to help you understand what's working and where the next opportunity might be. It can even compare your offerings with competitors nearby to identify gaps you could fill. Instead of relying on trial and error, you get a smarter, faster way to make decisions. Whether you're launching a new product, expanding your services, or just trying to stay ahead of the curve, AI gives you the information to move with confidence. In a world that moves fast, the businesses that adapt quickly win. And with AI, staying ahead of trends isn't just possible, it's practical and it's powerful.